Kid Kazoom, Kid Fury, and the Great Race. In the heroes' headquarters of Kaboom City, there's an important meeting.
Okay, I'm here!
Kid Kazoom, at last! We discovered where we can find a new piece of the secret map. But there's a problem.
A problem? Pfft, what could be so terrible? Nothing scares me.
It's on the top of the Mount Kaboomu in the cave of the Yeti thing.
What? But the Yeti thing is the most terrible monster of the mountain. We're going to be eaten if he catches us.
Don't worry. That's just a legend. Like Kaboom's fairy or elves.
You're so innocent.
But even so, Mount Kaboomu is really high, and our vehicles won't be able to arrive there. I don't know if I'll be able to help you.
The thing is, there's something for you. The Kazoom Racer!
What? That vehicle is awesome! Did old Joe make it?
That's also what I thought. But it doesn't seem so. It arrived with this little note.
Use this vehicle to get the piece of the map. I want heroes to have an opportunity to arrive at the end of the clues before the villains. May the best super thing win. Signed, Dr. Bolt. Dr. Bolt, who's that?
No idea, but he knows a lot of things. Maybe he's a friend of Enigma's? This car is like the most advanced we've ever seen. With this you can get to the top.
Then there's no time to lose. How can I drive it?
These are the instructions.
Oh my.
Oh, in the Mount Kaboomu arrest? I have the best idea to face Kid Kazoom's vehicle.
Mr. King, stop calling me already! I want to do my own thing and... Oculus Max, it's you! I hadn't recognized you not being in the shadows anymore.
Listen to me. You're going to take your motorbike Speed Fury to the top of the Kaboomu arrest to take the piece of the map before Kid Kazoom.
I don't feel like it. Do you really think you can give me orders like that and I'll just do it?
What a pity. I guess you don't want that.
Oh, the thing Station 7! How did you get it before it's released?
I'm a great spy. I've got my contacts. Well, Kid Fury, do you want it?
Darn it!
Later, on the Mount Kaboomu arrest.
What are you doing here? As if the Yeti thing weren't enough.
The Yeti thing! I can't believe you believe that tale! You'll see! I'll get the map before you!
That's what you think. Don't you know that the evil can't beat good? Your villain tricks will never win against the...
I'm bored, so I'll get going!
Ah! Darn, wait for me! Yeah!
You're not that bad!
And wait, because I'll leave you behind!
I don't think you can!
Your vehicle isn't the only one that can fly, Kid Fury!
I won't let you win! I also have something for you!
Yeah! That's playing dirty!
You won't beat me! Nothing will break me! I'm as hard as a... rock!
I think it's over. Stop! I can't believe he's still right behind. Oh, wait! I can see the cave! That's already too much for the car.
We can't go through that. But well, luckily, I've got an ace up the sleeve he doesn't expect! What? But how's that possible? You also have the same function?
How should I know? They weren't even made by the same person. I don't know how they could have the same idea.
Whatever. I'll leave you behind anyway.
Ah, the clue's there.
Now's a good moment to give you another nice present. Kazoom Destroyer!
No! You're a cheater!
Well, the end, your vehicle was useless, and the map is for me. Blah, 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 blah.
Stop it already! Don't be so noisy! We're on the Anything's caves, remember?
Oh, you're still obsessed with that story? What a fool! If I'd made anything angry, he should just come and tell me.
Listen.
What? Mr. Anything! What a surprise! I was joking! It didn't bother you, right?
I guess the Yeti thing doesn't like noise after all. Yeah! I got it! Bye-bye, Yeti thing! Don't worry, I won't tell anyone that you exist so you can live peacefully. And now, let's go back to the base with the Gazoom Racer!
I'm getting dizzy!
Inoculus Max's secret vase.
I'm so clever. I got ahead of heroes on their plan. And not even Mr. King knows that I'm about to get a piece of the map. I'm sure Fury already has it, and then the heroes will fall before me. Cameras and lightnings.
One question, Oculus Max.
What?
Can I keep the thing station 7 anyway?
Ow! We're one step closer to completing the secret map. Subscribe to the channel and don't miss the next episode, the Christmas special.